Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can change your name in Jez. Open the Chrome or Edge browser, go to jez.com, click on the link, and then go to your profile. Now click on Account Settings, and then you can see you can change the username by clicking on here and then writing the username you prefer. You must include characters and you must choose the username which is not taken. If you click on Save Changes, you can see that this username is unavailable and it is already taken. So you should go ahead and choose the username which is not taken and which is unique. As you click on Save Changes, you can now change your username. You can see that you have successfully changed your username. Let me show it to you once again how you can change your username using Jez. Click on the web browser and then go to your profile. Click on Account Settings, which is down there, and then go to the username section. Type in a unique and unused username and then click on Save Changes. This way, you can change your username in Jez. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention this on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye and take care.